Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon, opinion, itong pahayag ni Senator-elect Panfilo Lacson, Ping Lacson, doon sa panawagan ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. na mag-resign, mass resignation ang kanyang gabinete. I think more than 39 natang nag-resign. So, maganda itong panawagan, matinding pahayag, patama, pasaring, I don't know, how will you call it? Dito sa kanyang official Facebook page, Ping Lacson, 21 hours ago, verified account. Okay, sabi niya, higit sa hiling na courtesy resignation, maaari ring gamitin ng Pangulo ang kanyang persuasive powers sa Kongreso. Take note, yung persuasive, nilagyan niya ng clause, in-emphasize ba niya? Maaari rin gamitin ng Pangulo ang kanyang persuasive powers sa Kongreso, lalo na ang mababang kapulungan upang maalis insertions at pork barrel sa nalalapit na congressional deliberations ng 2026 national budget. Okay? Ito ang kanyang, okay. In English pala yung English yung kanyang statement. Ito, basahin natin sa English. On the call for courtesy resignation of cabinet members by BBM, May 22, 2025. More than recalibrating his administration by calling for the courtesy resignation of his cabinet members, the President must, must. Anong kung must? Is it very imperative, importante. Must exercise his persuasive powers over Congress, especially the House of Representatives, to get rid of indiscriminate and self-aggrandizing insertions and pork barrel in the forthcoming congressional deliberations of the 2026 budget measure. Yan ang kuha ni Senator Lacson. Okay, itong statement niya na ito, naibalita sa Daily Tribune. Ito, Daily Tribune. Lacson urges Marcos to cut pork barrel from 2026 budget. Nandito yung whole statement ng Senador. The 2025 General Appropriation Act is like a deadly virus. Grabe. Sabi ko nga, patama hindi lang yung courtesy resignation po, His Excellency President, ang asikasuhin nyo. Sana, gamitin nyo yung powers nyo, kung mayroon man, persuasive, para matanggal na yung mga insertion, mga pork barrel sa budget ngayong 2026. Kasi ang 2025, anong sabi niya? Deadly virus. Parang COVID-19. The 2025 General Appropriations Act is like a deadly virus that is choking the country to perdition. Bigat naman to. Kinaganda. Sinasakal, perdition, destruction. With the President taking the lead in at least tempering the insatiable greed of some legislators, I vow to do my share in helping him come up with a national budget that is truly responsive to the people's clamor for sanity and a little timidity among the members of Congress in addressing the needs of their constituents. With the exception of the Pantawid Pamilyang Filipino Program or for Peace, eliminating all other forms of ayuda and integrating them under the purpose in the National Expenditure Program all the way to the Enroll Bill should be a good start. As I have consistently posited, AKAP, AX, TOPAD, MAEP, and similar social services programs may be integrated under the purpose in accordance with RA 11310, which I intend to amend through a bill that I will file when I assume office as an elected senator of the Republic. Wow, ang ganda nito. It's time to give the Filipino people a chance to benefit more from the taxes that they pay out of their hard-earned money as an elected senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Again, talagang nakakabilib itong si Senator Lacson. Ulitin ko. Sa umpisa, gusto ko na siyang botohan eh. Lacson, Tito Soto, Pia Cayetano, and nakalimutan ko yung isa na napili ko sa grupo nila. Kung hindi lang nila inimpeach si BP Sara, hindi nila kinidnap si Tatay Digong, hindi ako mag-solid Duterte plus 2. Nang dahil inipit na nila mga Duterte, protest vote tayo. Kaya Duterte na. So, napakaganda itong sinasabi ni Senator Lacson. Noong yung mga unang termino na sa Senado, talagang binubusisi niyang budget. Hindi pwedeng lumot. Kaya panahon ni PRRD, I think 2019 yun. Mayroong binito ng presidente na malaking amount, billions, dahil sa kagagawan na pagtutulungan ni Senator Lacson and Senator Tito Soto. Kaya hindi nakalusot yung mga insertion, mga pork barrel. So, salamat po, Senator Lacson. Sana itigil niya, ipatigil niyo yung mga AX, ayuda, tatupad, yung ginagamit lang sa eleksyon, hindi na pwede yan. Tama na yan. So sana, ang Pangulo, yung persuasive powers, gamitin niya kung meron man siya. Ano bang ibig sabihin sa persuasive? Hindi mo naman niya diktahan kasi separate branch of government ang Congress. Persuasive, yung bang kung magaling ka kasing leader, you can use persuasion para susunod yung iba. Kung magaling kang leader. Kailan kung mahina kang leader, wala kang magawa. Ikaw pa ang susunod-sunod. Kagaya ng 2025 budget. Executive, meron ng nakalatag na, pinag-aralan. Pagdating sa Kamara, pagdating sa Baikam, wala, chinap-chap. Kaya sabi nila, most corrupt budget in history. Bakit? Dahil ang presidente, nawawalan na siya ng persuasive power. Hindi na nasusunod. Ang gusto niya, nasusunod yung mga gusto ng Baikam. Yan ang ayaw mangyari ni Senator Lacson. It's good. So, wag lang sana hanggang resignation lang. Ayusin nyo ang budget ng 2026. Salamat naman. Mga kaibigan, salamat.